记录这个老外第一次玩儿雪，怎么没有人跟我说呼市又好吃又好玩呀？哇！
哦耶！ I like it how they put it in the train. They got like coffee stations. This is cool, man.
Send me the old ice.
Yeah, that's ice. Oh, Carl. Huh. No, drop it on me. A whole building of ice. Wow. Oh yeah!
开始先来增加难度。
Wow, 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 wow. This is why we come to these things. So cute. Now that is one big Wukong. That is badass.
终于是看到烟花了啊！
Wow. Pretty cool.
3大风调雨顺，五谷丰登，4大平安康健，福寿绵长。
Look at it. Hot pot.
Yay!
At Ice City. Haha. This is pretty cool. In the ice event, it's got a little hot pot place right in the middle of it. And it's only like 50 yuan for one person. 10 bucks, 10 bucks. How can you say no? So good. That tasty. I love this stuff. Seaweed. It's smart product placement. You know why? Cold, hot. Cold, hot. It's genius, actually. There's not much in there. I decided not too much food. Otherwise, I won't sleep properly.
吃吧，
是吧？是吧？哇，吃了吗？
没吃呢。
没吃呢。What's that?
Haven't eaten yet.
I haven't eaten.
Me.
You haven't eaten yet.
You eat.
Okay, okay. I eat. Okay.
他没看见吧？
So the concert in Tianjin is 27th.
Yeah. It's correct.
We go.
What? How? Really?
Yes.
We're staying in Tianjin.
Have to because it's at night time, right?
Yeah.
Go back to Beijing one more night, and the second day we fly to Shanghai.
Okay. That's exciting. I was just telling my friend, he just saw them the night before, Brisbane, and he said it was like one of the best shows. I'm just disappointed I didn't get to see it. Then you told me this, did you? Massive, gigantic. Look at the size of it. Pure gold. Kind of like the Aboriginal artwork that we have in Australia on the stones in Alice Springs and that. Look how well preserved that straight sword is.
Wow. 长城及长城地带的文化交融。Remember last time you came to China? I said, okay, we go to the Great Wall tomorrow. I'm just deciding which Great Wall we go because there were parts, right? And you were like, oh, there only one Great Wall in China.
There is only one Great Wall. It just spans 404 places.
Oh yeah.
And it's 22,000 kilometers long.
Yes.
15 provinces.
Now they start repeating it, right?
Welcome to Jurassic Park. I love dinosaurs. Ever since I was a kid, baby, dinosaurs have always been that thing I always liked. And I always promised myself when I get older, I'll always like dinosaurs. Here we are in China looking at dinosaurs. 252 million years ago. There's no culture or civilization on planet older than that.
Yeah.
100% no. That's crazy. That's 252 million years ago. Imagine living in that era. Right here, it said it used to be a vast, humid climate with vegetation, jungles and stuff like that. And then it said it's changed dramatically since then.
That's real.
Oh yeah, that's real. In a museum like this one's like, huh? What am I doing here?
我们两个现在有个分歧啊，就是他觉得这些恐龙骨架都是真的，然后我觉得是假的。原因呢是复原骨架。
So when you say something is restored, it usually means that the whole entire skeleton, all the parts to that skeleton have been found and then completely put there. That's what restored means. It's like when you buy a car that's old. Hey, yo. When you buy a car that's old and you restore it, it means you go back to its original form.
OK，
Yeah. Like, I'm not sure. Could be wrong.
什么什么复原图，那肯定不是真的图，对吧？
So yeah, they have to be real. But a museum of this size in the middle of Inner Mongolia, like, it has to be real. You don't put fake stuff. I think this is fake. Scientifically restored.
Yeah.
Of a raptor. That's a Proceratops. Is that a real bone?
I think so.
Whose size is it?
That's why it's in the box.
I'm not sure. I think that's a fossilized turtle of some sort.
它应该是真的，是假的话它会写的。
Yeah, that's a woolly mammoth. There's two of them. One there, one there. Look at this. See the picture on the wall? The hairy elephant.
哦，
In winter ages.
终于逛完了，这也太大了。
过年没什么开门的，我们随便选了一家。
Yeah. I'm gonna have some pigeon.
Did you?
Oh, no, I didn't have any antibiotics.
For
Pigeon.
you can pick one.
One, I'm getting two, mate. To make up all the days that I haven't had it. 新年快乐.
It's a Inner Mongolia's special barbecue. They call it Iron Hat Barbecue.
I guess because it looks like an iron hat.
Yeah. 哇，
Then you get the eggy. Oh, sure.
baby.
Hang on.
1, 2. Hi, baby.
Yeah.
You can finish the egg.
No. Because I want to put that and that and that and that inside that and on that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're laughing. I think he understands. Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah.
等不及了啊！
And then
鸡蛋盖帽，灵魂交给，等不及了。
what'd your mum say?
Very good at the
Yeah.
eating.
Ah. Oh, sure. I like Genghis Khan style cooking. It's delicious. Okay, then it's like this, and it's like this, like this, and this. And then the final piece, 2 pieces of the puzzle. We add then some petals. All of a sudden, we have this delicious looking. I was just reading before, it's something to do with Khan came up with the idea with his soldiers back in those days by using their hat as a cooking pot. Genius idea. Oh. I know all the followers are saying, I like everything. It's true. Stop making things that are so good. And now he ruins it with vegetables.
Will be yummy.
La la la.
What?
La la la. 新年快乐. If they ate like this, And they ate well. Because this is delicious. How much does this cost?
188, not including the alcohol.
$40. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all.
For 3 people.
For 3 people, yeah, I know. There.
知道在家走路不吃饭吗？他们那个习惯跟晚上吃的多。我没说你废
What are
话
you。saying?
没说你废话。
No bad words for you.
Why you're laughing and then you both like.
他晚上老是半夜起来吃东西。
怪不得嘛。
Suspicious. People pushing in line, mate. 真的，你看
本来大家排了3整条好好的队，马上开始检票了，然后不知道从哪涌出来一大堆人，开始
说你赶紧往
起。
前挤吧，就别管了。检票人员 ，Yeah，
She told everyone to go in the line anyway.
Yeah， 然后后边排队，后边排队去。
That pushed in just just had to go behind me anyway.
对，就应该这样。You were like what?
I was like, fuck yeah.